Leibak Asida Information Technology ki Lam Yaona Higher Education da Ahongba kaya lakkadouriba chahi khara asida Uba Phanglaklagani haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Prof and Lokendra na phongdorakli. Wafam ase ngasidagi numit nini chupna chathagadaba Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur IITM ki ihan hanba oina pangthokadaba Ahongba lisingani kun mari haina mingthonba tech face hawdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane. IITM ki Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskar Ramade Institute asigi mahiroi kayana saruk yaduna IITM ki auditorium da pangthokhiba thoram aduda Professor and Lokendra na hai Science and Technology ki syllabus da restructure kaya tawrakpa amade National Education Policy 2020 na Higher Education ki curriculum da khongdok khongjin kaya tawrakpa maramna chahi khara gi matung dadi hariba lamsing asida ahongba kaya purakpa ngamlagani Science and Technology ki lamda hauzik mahai tamriba generation aside yamna laibak farabane maramde hauzik Science and Technology ki lam ase chawkhatpagi mapan naidrabane ngasidagi hauduna numit ini chupna chathagadaba tech face asina IITM ki campus da chawna ahongba ama purakani haibase mahaki thajabane masina institute asida mahai tamriba mahiroi singgi wakhalonda anauba inot kaya haptuna mental amasung physical gi khalmanana thambadasu chawna mating boiragani institute asida mahai tamliba mahiroi sing ase ayambana atopa state singdagi lakpa maramna Manipur da lairiba institute singda chathanningbagi apamba lay Masina mahiroi masel gi marakta tungan ba wakhalon sing tathok tasin tawminaduna Manipur gi maramda hena khangba ngamgane loina na tungan ba lamda research tawningbagi wakhalon su soidana phawrakani haina Professor and Lokendra na makhata na phongdokhe
because in the state of Manipur and in northeast India we have seen a number of these sort of civil strife and ethnic conflict much more serious, much more conflict of bigger dimensions, but all those conflicts have been resolved very peacefully and taking cue from what we have seen in the past, this conflict is also be healed up in a very short period of time from now onwards and hopefully in a matter of few months to 1 year period things will improve and that will qualitatively change the teaching learning process even in the campus of IIT Manipur.
Thauramadu da sarukya kiba IIT Manipur gi Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskar na hai ngasidagi hauduna numit nini chupna pangthokadaba ahongba lisingani kunmari na institute asigi mahiroi singna amukta hagthengna raktriba inot ama soidana phangba ngamlagani pangthokadoriba tech face asina campus amasung hostel da phajin punsinba tawna lairaklaba institute asigi mahiroi singda anauba wakhalon kaya amaso tansinba ngamgani haibase mahaki thajabane Loina festival asidagi tansilakpa anauba wakhalon sing ado thabak ton thoktuna Leibak asigi miyam da kanaba pinaba hotna si haina Krishnan Bhaskar na makhata na phongdokhe.
In the past also, when you look at the globe, many innovative ideas, many technologies have been developed only through these kind of activities. That means the students should be allowed to think freely, to discuss freely, and then they can come up with new ideas, and definitely these new ideas will become a new technology, and technology will transfer, if it is an innovation, into lead a product, and finally ultimately it is going to help the society.